Giving and living. Giving. Giving refers to the act of presenting or transferring something to someone else without expecting anything in return. It involves offering help, support, or gifts willingly and with kindness. Examples: she is known for her generosity and giving nature. Giving back to the community through volunteering is important to him. Living. Living can have multiple meanings, but one of the closest meanings to giving is related to the state of being alive or the act of residing in a particular place. It can also refer to the way in which one earns a livelihood or sustains oneself. Examples: they are living in a cozy apartment in the city. Living a healthy lifestyle is crucial for overall well-being. Differences. Giving and living are different in that giving pertains to offering or providing something to others, often in a selfless manner, while living is more about existence, dwelling in a place, or sustaining oneself. However, both words involve actions and behaviors that are essential for human interactions and daily life. Giving is more about contributing to others, while living encompasses the broader concept of existing and making a life for oneself. Both words play important roles in human relationships and societal interactions, but they operate in different spheres of life.